Hey friends, here's 3 quick moves. These are all taken from Insanity Max 30. So the first one is an X jump, X plank. Okay, so it kind of has a burpee feel to it. Check out how you can modify it. Just step back, extend one leg, step back, extend the other leg. So you're alternating sides, okay? 1 minute there. Then you're gonna do 4 shuffles, 2 X jumps. Shuffle, X jump. You can always march, alternate extending the legs, okay? 1 minute there. Then come on down to the ground, X abs. Okay, lift your shoulders off the ground. And you're just taking your legs out. Try to keep your legs as straight as you can. You can always modify this by just dropping your feet to the ground or just letting your shoulders come down to the ground and just doing the legs. Okay? So 1 minute there, 1 minute of each exercise. Have an awesome day. Bye.